you won't believe there's a whole Christmas scene inside of here. And we're gonna go ahead and put it together and show you how beautiful it is and how compact it is when you're not using it. Hi, my name is Diana. I was sent this Christmas display in return for this video, so let's go over it. It comes with 6 little white houses in different styles and 4 trees, all made from sturdy cardstock. And the best part, there's a string of warm white LED lights that tuck inside the village and make the windows glow like a real winter night. It's got a timer too, so it turns on for 6 hours and off for 18. And yes, you do need 2 AA batteries for the lights, but they're not included. Putting it together is actually kind of fun. You don't need glue, just use the little round stickers that come with it. Each piece folds easily, and the instructions are super clear. I'd say it's great for older kids and adults, but if you've got younger ones, they'll need a little help. Once the holidays are over, you just fold everything flat and tuck it away. No bulky boxes or breakable parts. It's so easy to store and it doesn't take up much room at all. A few people asked in the reviews if the lights are bright or harsh. They're not. They're soft and warm, like candlelight. Others wondered if the paper feels flimsy, but it's actually a nice thick cardstock that holds its shape really well. You know, half the fun of this little setup is putting it all together. It's a little bit of a project. So if you're looking for a fun way to spend the holidays, it's like you're snowbound and you want to do something creative, definitely get this set up. I think kids can handle it and everyone kind of figures out how everything goes together. So definitely check it out.